What's up, guys? It's me. I'm sorry for not uploading forever. I haven't filmed a video in forever. Well, I guess that's not all true. I've just been having difficulty uploading it, so I'm sorry about that. Some technical difficulties, but today's video, and I will try and get those up as soon as I can, but today's video is going to be on Rubik's Cubes. So if you don't know, which you probably don't unless you're my friend, I solve Rubik's Cubes, and I am decent at it. If you don't do Rubik's Cubes, then you probably look at me and you say, wow, he's amazing. If you do, then you're like, he's pretty okay. But yeah, I'm gonna do an average of 5, which if you don't cube is your average time between 5 solves. So yeah, let's get right on into it, people. So if you don't know, this right here, this is CS timer. It shows all of my times, which is great. You hit this, it gives you 15 seconds to look at the cube, decide what you want to do, and then you click it, it starts the timer, you solve, and when you're done, you click it again. It's amazing, it works really well. And this is computer automated. It tells me how to mix it up because each one of those means a different move. Like D2 means that. So yeah, I'm gonna get right on into this. You're not gonna be able to see in the screen because I tried filming it so you could see the screen. You couldn't see my hands doing anything at all. So you're just gonna have to learn to deal with it and trust me. Okay guys, I have the camera set up. You're not gonna be able to see my face either, but this has the best angle of the cube while I am solving. So let's get right on into it. Mixing up the cube right now. It's all mixed up. Get my 15 seconds. Okay. Just in case you guys are wondering, I average around high 20s seconds wise. So, and an okay solve being around 30, a pretty good solve being like 26 and a half, 27. But, yeah, 4 more to go. I'm sorry if this is a more boring video for you guys if you obviously don't do this. But if you do, that's great, and I hope you find it interesting that I do this. Alright, that was pretty good. 28. 27. Pretty good. Oh, that was not the world's greatest start. Kind of locked up. Didn't turn that great. Kind of redeeming myself though, so that's alright. That was good. That was 26. I'm happy with that, really. Yeah, okay. Oh, alright. Okay. Oh crap, I messed up. Dang it. Well, DNF. Yeah, I royally messed that up. I don't even know what I did. That was weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more just because I messed that up. Okay, so if you guys did want to know the actual average of 5, it was 27.43 seconds. Not that bad, but I just don't want to end on a DNF bad solve like that, so we're just gonna do one more and I'll tell you the average and we'll end on that. Pretty good, 28. So if you want to know that average, it was 27.27. But yeah, so just so you know, there are some things that I didn't put in my description, or at least I don't think I did, that I can do. Just fun little hobbies I am pretty decent at. Rubik's cubing, obviously, now most of you guys know that. If you want to know, I can also do other Rubik's cubes, like a big 4x4, a 2x2, a smaller one, and Pyraminx. So, you probably don't understand any of those names if you don't cube, but, yeah, just look at them and then you'll know. And some other things I do is fingerboarding. I know it sounds stupid, but I do it. And I also play ping pong with my friends and family. So, yeah, those are just some fun things that you wanted to know about me. Then there you go. I also really love baseball. So, bye.